Ashota me body girl, amina si natakwine buzima nipulira kubi mbero muwazi girl be my vitamin obe mamiyo gwe.
Then verse in that song.
Iworinke chimuri no yakanko mumuri no yangashana nkakashana kabaha chimuri nimba ninkorota konkano ndanjirenta rukunde nyine wagwande yatandikire tukaturi mu primary akoba go guy akana aretera ebitaguru nyoko nkanyonka by the
Aleka kwa mutaguru zo
na taguru guy so nyowe was a bit a kid mpora kunkana nyaba mama fixing omukwayo ko nindeta makarozi kanje kache kaliao katyo guy ajatanga kuteka maka sente guy to adjust to afuna Alex Muhangi. Actually big up to yourself Alex Muhangi wherever you are. Yeah, comedy store na yetu kwasiro guy wanje etwiresa
one of the biggest platforms you've been on.
Yeah. Na twireza guy brusho na atwa brusho na twireza guy na supporting him bintu bintu munonga.
So it's a comedy store by the Mwagamba comedy store. You aware of the people are performing a comedy store invested in the other time. Yes, all right. It's Ankole Media. I think this I must over the sparks and one savage on it. Yes, all right. About now, I've got the men. Boys. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Cata Vybz and Lau Wine. But of the two, who is Cata Vybz, who is Lau Wine? Because it's in Amurkwatri. We're going to manya who is who. So,
Ninya Lau Wine.
So,
Cata Vybz wakakache mnonga.
So on my left is Cata Vybz, on my right is Lau Wine, not so. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are you guys have more running so quick. So quick. By the way, let's see if it starts from here. Kavirenti neshonga
Ogaruke tutereze inshonga
Obo busonga songa.
So ogo yati ni orukuleteria raga mafi.
Ya beta no baby ni sibo muzi haso. Ni ndonda sente ngobundo kali chachiro.
I say baby understand me reka kunde wankore hositani nyine corona majani.
So welcome to the show. Lau Wine. Ekintu muhachisa ikintu mustira musta.
Ekintu chitambuza urugendo gayi rukikire.
Ato mwabwine mu endorsement za some people. Ndebireka China yaba endorsing of recently. The other day it was done MVP as always. Ekintu no kiri bota.
Actually ekintu kunkuchireba ekintu chitambula straight namani minji and I think it is doing well. Our challenges zirumu konka, at least we are pushing our best.
So you guys your music is far ahead of your profile. So before we get into how do you guys get to meet? Because I understand you're not brothers.
Yeah.
So how did you guys come to meet?
Actually, I still are brothers like biologically.
Biologically or not?
It physically. Brothers. Nkashoma no guy from primary 1 up to now kandi turubana ibaza charo tukuzire hamwe.
So you've grown like almost your entire life muchara.
Yes, kuruga primary time up to now, so he's like my brother.
So mwiza mwabugana muta because nimanya nito inabantu tuina chara tukuzire nabo maybe nabo they are doing the same kind of shit we're doing, but then we have not taken it this level. So mukachitandika mutamkamuriyo mukakashe mukankatuje nembaratse kuchitera. By the way, where do you hail from?
Ati kama ze kushoborere noranga tokutwa meetinga hati future ninga si ekimwine kuba njicha kibaronda kibagita ako gayi no wacharo kandi acharo
chibito
tetuye barwampara nyakaguruka kinoni
biga so kinoni people rampara
ya rampara hati ariyo binje bitukuze nabo akire babishomere nabo konka kikintu nkikuronda kikugita na muntu omu connectinga.
So
wachireba hatu connectinga muzikite no church choir tukabantu kitera.
So you guys graduated from church. Music graduated from church. I want the scratch like the first part of it mukachi rankai.
The main scratch tandikire tukaturi mu primary akoba go guy akana aretera ebitaguru nyoko nkanyonka by the
aleka kwa mutaguru zo
na taguru guy. So nyowe was a bit a kid mpora kunkana nanye baguma fixing omukwayo ko nindeta makarozi kanje kache kaliao katyo wachireba. So main scratch akatanjira mu primary around it katuri mu primary nka 6 P7 twagera mu secondary tujana ntwaburana hwaho konka main lecha chezo kutugita metu was COVID-19 kinarjire inabire nzambende nkai Kampala noga kar Kampala nayiya COVID yatureta cyaro twakatwakora ki twayimeetinga cyaro kujagai tweshongoro mukwaya katwatar kubi. Why can't we try something out? So I'm a producer, by the way.
A producer?
Yeah. Hati mfuna yo some guy kaina ka studio aho cyaro ka story nyatuma let me go make a mentor mfune guy yo gutukoresha tujiture mtwaturo mentor guy. It was a dancehall song called Zinam ya mashing out everyone. Abantu ko embashiteka akata kwasa kutaka kweshongora. When they had that song Zinamu bafuna that expectation into we guys kandi bafuna na belief family to ntwasa kweshongora twakurasana beshongora binda abantu bargo batera hemukono kushanga umuntu najya tunyoni nza kufuta henko konjisha njiguze mbahereze Cata Vybz Lau Wine bagenda bakora uriyimba. So twakora project sisha twaho abantu batwatiraho music yatambara ba MVP bazire kuturira guy bahuragana tatkandi guy ntera guy.
So as you people mwena mwami lamenting about COVID-19 simanyi COVID kanye guys simanyi COVID kanje lachi some people this side they have a different story. So now Lau Wine hat industry already mwajimara bwino kwingana shi
tubasa ko baroma kan kugwakana akot katatu
yeah to
so in a space of 4 years like how many songs so far katorogere byeshongoro
in videos manana 8 videos eziyo mukatare.
But do you know hari abantu amara mu myaka 15 ati in videos ishatu and it is possible. So how have you guys made it?
Nichewazika ko menu yes
videos because you mango chisinge kuteganisa bishongo za Western is funding that kushaka gukora videos
akasente.
So ikintu cyo mukachikwasa nganyama
twine management which is new era management.
Biggest one of new era management mukozoro mu magwama. These guys have rose fame because of you. So no kubatika makasente
atite sente tukazire guy
kachigumiri kufuna manager like for starters imwe mukachitira muta
chance katera manager na wono wa charo manager agaba obed.
You guys are dictating music yona ne yanyu buri kimwe cyanyu simanyi manager no wanyu acharo Cata Vybz na acharo
ekanga mbere nolera mukama wana nachera a designing program yo muntu no boroza Kampala no boroza Masaka no boroza Dubai church cyo kubaho has to okaga itukaturyaho nitugayo mushija tuntumanya no wacharo tumurenga mukuru witu twabituriya ati you guys at Kampala yecheshongoro cyanyu samuya. You guys, you know how to sing. At even you sing in Uganda. Atwaza Kampala guy chintu tukora chi. Atunchitira. Guy ajatanga kuteka makasente guy to adjust to afuna Alex Muhangi. Actually big up to yourself Alex Muhangi wherever you are. Yeah, comedy store na yetu kwasiro guy wanje etwiresa.
One of the biggest platforms you've been on.
Yeah. Na atwereza guy brusho na atwa. Brusho na atwereza guy na supporting mbintu bintu munonga.
So it's a comedy store by the Mwagamba comedy store. You were one of the people are performing a comedy store. I invested in the other time it was here. So akiza haba husaga. So we expected you guys kuja kumkamru backstage. No manyecha abireho ninga. You don't know what happened?
Tukaburiza matu.
Unke kurujuro kuwa hurire ukachurura.
Kuna achurire noranyo nahure chintu ndacherebire. Tinkuchi genda ho tinkare tinkuchiteka obirozo byanje akwati ndakirebere hate wanda nyitindi shuwa wachingambire akangambira cyenyine cyabiro ninga kongera mu akamunana bachireba
ni warukora kusereba ninga you have different stands
ati tukatwaize performing by the way Ray G na nka Azawi bataka jiro mu byabo tukatwahereze tukaturiyo mu motoka ate wajasindaka twabituryaho wizere natugambira ati Ray G na Azawi bakora saga ashatsageta okayo chinkumanya nti stage nine program
stage manager ko bana leta banta
nine program nana mangu shahitano necheka naza kwija Ray G shamukaga ija Azawi so ati nyewe baje Cata Vybz za stage kandi ato muyimo ndija kije nyuma I don't know ati ncanchikora chita
so ejembo zito tukuma kuchabiro itoga katusanga twagasoma ko gabire gari. Now back to your music now. You guys ni mangu kuzakuna kutanga kweshongora nka duo here in Western Uganda. It's not been here before. kusanga abantu nibeshongora ngo dio they were there, but I when I'm talking here at Ankole Media we talk about established artists. So nagamba artist thing matita kama yes, so like professionals tukajiraga dio. Where did you guys pick the inspiration kuja ngo search kora?
Ate chinte echo chinza kuja ngo tuchikozera bwana nanka itinte tenze ntengo tuchitekeho abantu bacherebe hakwatinza kuja ngo tuchikozera bwa ready and wizo babichi ba Kentan's Florence aba bagano itochitireho nkitwe bagaya bambayimba nk'abagundi no bachereke itonto yimba music yitu omustyle yitu ntutere ntere yitu timagwe wanyetegereza.
So no basako yes basako muchikozera menka, but is there any deal yabiro maybe hano mu Uganda kujoti these guys how much they don't inspire us that kuja ngo tukora tuja ngo tukore chiba kukora, but these guys I can give them a credit because to in deals we have B2C, you had Radio and Weasel. So of all those deals,
of course legendary it is Radio and Weasel, A Good Life. Those guys, man, they had everything.
They deserve that respect, man.
You respect, man. When you jifuna guy wanje, no wakorota, bo no bachitireho, buri omwe almost no kare yeah inspiration yona tukajifuna kale.
Because Dio was originally here, like find two people sing it.
Obirobwe akalo Dio ya P Square, kuno guys tariyo.
But it was international.
It was international. Yeah. Ba P Square, these guys one habandi in America, konka. Mu Uganda, at least there is a picture that it brought up. Nito tukantu basa kuchikora konkitwe nyo Cata Vybz Lau Wine tukujangu yes however much Good Life and what they did it kan it yes ntuchubasa konka inaba kujirango these guys maba kopere no maana watu watakwichiza bro watakwichiza defeat ngo bakopere
echo muntu oragire mu kirowozo echo ninja no kumutera utera eshara abo kuba ite music ate nawe kale music itesinjire kale kuchitera munonga nori nyankore nitenda ngo tutekeho embera teke ngo Western Uganda ntubasa kutera ndongo.
Niceness. So then still about that same issue okwishongora nka deals ninga singa abantu bingi, because along the way hiza musamu maybe some people fall out tukachireba Lerian Babazi, Cindy Sanyo, Zidaya Sanyo, and Jackie Chan, Hit Nature. There were these guys I wataka hitting academy. Not even Kate and Flo, so these guys I were capture music icons. Opa Bafang and Josh and Mosh Mavok. So these guys end up falling out. So what does the future hold? Ninga si kuyo kurjir. Each intention works keeping watakurangu. You keep on the grind. Mwene shindu kashitera. Mpozi mamwa shonga zaka sente kuzukumara kuiza. Numukutera so ngoria mamahata anonga angu amhansa. So
let me tell you. Hati oburo bunyoni njira kuba ni most of the interviewers abakale ba host bitu njira bagambere eki buri kintu kyona there is man made challenge and godly made challenge ninga shi what we call kale ekinte kikuba
where godly made that is beyond your fixing
you basi
but inashongeza mukweretera because some people
kweretera enshonga nkazi omuru achire gwa sente na nekindi kwenda kunanka kuyo zipe yawe tekwemerera wachireba.
Lau Wine, is that you?
No, ati abada chibine kumanya bine kumangu turu ba America wachireba akuba atunyo akwate nyoti kuzo janti tikasa kunyizio kuchari akuba ndio muntu nawe no muntu wachireba akwanyo nimba mwine 24/7 wachireba tumuka abara kunyiga.
Do you guys stay together? Wagambo come. Do you guys stay together?
Yeah.
You share the same apartment?
Yeah.
These are real blasters. Then right now majamine videos munana. Nigibye shongoro every song buri shongoro chole chimwe na video.
Yeah. Ebyo mukatare. Buchiyo mukatare chine video. Kandi audio tunazigambira abakubezo zo nchokora nturekura.
So when it's time you release.
Yeah.
So you guys then chokwe shongoro nyankore. Like how was it your choice kuja mu shongoro nyankore? Because it's not a must kuja mu yomwe no kurgana nka kurga mu Western. Mayino kwa shongoro nyankore. I've had people like Alan Tonix, have people a lot of them. So it needs Henry to explain mzago mu shongoro nyankore ninga mukachiyerra ngai.
Bada kanga nore ejitinte ogamba jamazima. tukatwine listen MC twatuntere kiboza yati guys ati kwa tutera Buganda akwa twine nyimba zakabizi kutera kuriya yati gati muje mukore urimba rwoni ati hati twatwine nka
initially mukangora Uganda
yes hati tureba twatwine nka stage kunuya hati tero Uganda ngatureba turakinga mukije tuyimbira abantu bo mukore
Antonic sako maona jaje abatera kuri nyankore at the same time agita kujangwa agite zo audiences
koko muntu amanze kwete kirohozo echo tuganira mu mbozi tunabachari akalitsa MC
biga son yourself mukuru wechanga
ya mukuru wechanga jati guys ati twateka yondo bise twata
baizo banzo toro banzo chekwatira ndobisi
ashota me bad girl aminasi natakwine buzima nipulira kubi mbero mubazi girl bima vitamin obe mamiyo gwe
then verse in that song
Iworinke chimuri no yakanko mumuri no yangashana nkakashana kabaha chimuri nimba ninkoro takonkano ndanjirenta rukunde nyine wagwande.
So bigger son yourself mukuru wechanga. Yes, your inspiration inga so kuganira kwawe. It has built an empire here in Western Uganda and this is a broke. So now to your fans right now. Our fans ban.
Wambagambeje bachari banje
ati babakunzire because here in Western Uganda abanyankore binemputu these guys are so bineje mputu wari umunyankore kuza kujangwa aku believe in
hati mpicira kugira ngo no kubagira nti mwebare nacyo ndeba kitakumara no kugira nti batware ko mu hotel tinku kibasa no kugira nti mbagurire bakeje nk'ibigumba nayo ki hati nindore kinda akora abantu ba Western abo kwa tukuza nibongera kutuboreka love wachidereza mbo stage itukuzaho mbongera kutoreka love nyo cyo kubahereza tinjini okuya kujya nti mukama buri mu mpere cya rukwende
that was love wine now to Cata.
Yeah, so nyo Cata Vybz abanyambara ninga sho Western Uganda ninga Uganda at large Brahamo itujire za Kampala ntera za kororo za ngahi hani after 11 hiro twatera bi hatwatera za comedy store abantu guy abantu nibasima abantu nibongera kutukunda noro muntu ine vibe wano yeshongora so people na mwebare kutukunda ebirunye nibikija this year nzizakuba kandi kera massive wagwani.
So should we expect a lot from you this year? Ndongeri umukabada
echoro munyote echikuru ba DJ mbechikuru ba machine ate bazibata bazityaze basimure ntuza kutere ngo mataro kuzikiza wachelewa yoko yachireje cyaza mwenju nubora asibire
takaenda kubanza aza mecherezo kashanze tabachaza menju so then
leda abakutukunda abakutwenda music yitu YouTube Cata Vybz and Lau Wine. Cata Vybz chiri CATA Cata Vybz and Lau Wine.
Wanna close what the socials YouTube, Facebook,
Twitter, Instagram, TikTok.
Who manages your socials? Because Maria bantu babiri. So what if someone wants to reach out to one of you? Is that possible?
I have to manager guy wanje.
No, mtoka kusanga umuntu nakwenda in person. Maybe it's a fun.
Ate jomasa ngotajiri wa manager. Wangine kureba MVP.
So MVP is like the second in importance.
Akwati.
Nanechindi twine gundi zitu twine personal accounts zitu sakukika Cata Vybz ninga shela wine aine yeye obunamba bw'amasumu bwaburiyo
But business wise it has to be Cata Vybz and Lau Wine.
Yeah, business Cata Vybz and Lau Wine watashangira hecho muganda wange business wise in Cata Vybz and Lau Wine.
So with all due respect it has been Cata Vybz and Lau Wine. Abasa chanja manze mbire nokofya because na barebera kuri munanga mwe naza kuja tukumkasa tukumkasa kabambuza usabona kabasha. No hata ninja hata mwaka chenga nja difference mwajire. So
ninye nyo yes.
Then this is
Lau Wine.
That has been some great time beno mweza you guys. Ejinda bara batakuchenga. So it has been Cata Vybz and Lau Wine kandi kusana kuno munna abantu bade spark see you when you see us.